This is Austin Schwartz. Today we're doing another construction update of the new Mercedes-Benz Stadium coming to Atlanta in 2017 for the Atlanta Falcons, one of my favorite professional football teams. So let's see what's going on. Here's my first image. Well, here you can see they're working on the seats, I believe. So it's looking pretty good. Here's another photo of them working on the seats and all that. It's looking pretty good, just like I said earlier. They're making lots of good progress. Here's a third image of more construction. And here, this is the Gleason. Looks like they've done most of the third row. They still gotta paint all the seats. That's but that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, please, for more videos.